So it's hard to tell where it's coming from exactly. I mean, it's somewhere in this area. It's not doing it on this side. So it's only on the driver's side where you can hear it. Sounds really strange. It doesn't really sound like an electrical short. It sounds kind of weird. So that's what the headlight switch turned on. And all I'm doing is coming in, lights on, headlights off. No more sound. It's gone. So like during the day, no problem. But at night, when the headlights are on, and especially when the car is running, you can hear it too. But the problem is that the engine oversounds the click. So if you leave the headlight switch on while the car is at idle, for example, you can totally hear it. It sounds really weird. It's obviously something on this side, which is going to be the driver's side. I have no idea what it could be, so hopefully y'all can help me out. Thanks.